How to upload your income documents. To submit your income documents, first sign into your New York State of Health account. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov and click on Sign In, then select Individuals and Families from the drop-down menu. After signing into your account, you will be greeted by your account overview page. From there, select the Verification tab from the top navigation bar. This is where you can submit your income documents for verification. Click the Add Other Document button and then select the document type that you will be uploading from the options in the drop-down menu. Next, click Choose File to locate and select the document type indicated earlier and click the Upload button. Your income document has now been submitted and is under review. Other ways to submit your income documents include submit by mail, submit by fax, using the NYSO mobile upload app available for free download on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to log in and get started.